What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMAT ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some fundamentals that might drive the price of this ticker. And we will continue with the technical analysis. And we will continue with 2 points of view. One of them is a swing trader point of view, and the second one is the point of view of a long-term investor. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time promo offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So, and let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I made my previous video yesterday and we were somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have to hit our level of support, and I drew this line yesterday, and this line was a support around these regions. As you can see, we have several touches since the beginning of April till the mid of May. And we have very good reaction. As you can see, we have rather good reaction from this level, and we have good volume. As you can see, we have higher volume than we had previously. This means we have more interest to this stock from retail investors and from potential institutional investors, and this means we are nearing the bottom. So, and let's continue with some fundamentals. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Meta Materials, a smart materials and photonics company, invents, designs, develops and manufactures various functional materials and nanocomposites. And for now, majority of retail investors are waiting for the short squeeze, and they are waiting it from the very top of, let me show you, from the very top of this point and to basically where we are now. And let me show you this information. We are on fintel.io and we have the latest data so far on July the 9th, and we don't have 2 more dates, as you can see, and that's why, in my opinion, this information is a little bit outdated. And we have finviz.com, and according to this website, we have around 43.79% of short volume ratio, and it is extremely high. And let me show you this news that on Meta Materials TRCH X Meta Twitter account that shows the majority of news around these 2 tickers, basically for the Meta for now. And let me quote you this. According to Finviz, Meta Materials is 43% plus short and is one of the top stocks for short squeeze. In the last week, Meta is down 70%, includes shorts. The CEO stated there is upcoming partnerships with the company. Meta and Torchlight provided a preferred share which forces the T+21 rule to shorts and naked shorts, forcing them to cover 21 days after the settlement date coming up. Today, Meta Material, formerly known as TRCH, bounced off the 200-day simple moving average. I have to say that if you want to catch the trades based on the short squeezes only, I have to say that it is not a good idea, because it is pure guessing where will it happen and when will it happen and how deep and how high it will be. In my opinion, you have to rely only on fundamentals and you have to rely only on technical analysis, and technical analysis will show you some missing parts if you don't have these parts in your fundamentals. And that's why it is extremely important to have these 2 analyses. So, and let me show you George Palikar's official Twitter, and 10 hours ago he posted this. Very pleased to see a sector and industry category updates for Meta today on Nasdaq. So for now they have a sector and industry as a semiconductors and technology respectively, but recently they have MMAT ticker under the sector of oil and gas. And that's why for now all the processes according to transfer from one ticker to another are finished, and it is very good. So, and let's continue with their latest news. We are on their official website, and on July the 13th we have this announcement: Meta to present at access to Giving Virtual Investor Conference on July 15th. And let me quote you this. Meta Materials today announced that it will be presenting the Access to Giving Virtual Investor Conference, which is being held on July 13th to 15th, 2021. George Palikaros, President and CEO, and Ken Rice, CFO and Executive Vice President, will present at the conference. Meta is scheduled to present on July 15th at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Management will be available for one-on-one meetings to be held throughout the conference. And I have to say that on these type of conferences we might see some news that might affect the price of this ticker. And for now we are extremely oversold, and for now we have a huge decline in price, and that's why in my opinion we have to have at least a good bounce, and this bounce should be massive because of the current price levels. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you might know, for quite some time I'm telling you that we have to have a bounce, and this bounce should be at least to the level of 0.236. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top to every point right here, for example, or right here, we don't have a decent bounce to the level of 0.236, and that's why in my opinion it should happen, and that's why we have this rather decent possibility to have some profits with this ticker for the short term. But for now it is extremely risky to add your position as a swing trader. You can only ladder your buys down if you are a long-term investor, and the long term I mean from the period from 12 months to 18 months. And in my opinion, during this period this stock will at least double or triple your money. So, and let me show you one interesting point. Right here we have MMAT ticker on Nasdaq Stock Exchange, but if we switch to their Canadian Stock Exchange, and they have MMAX ticker right there, you can see that we have this price action, and we have this bounce from the level of 0.618, and this is the level, Fibonacci retracement level from this bottom to this top, and this is what I'm awaiting for. But according to this price chart, we already unloaded this movement, and that's why we don't have much possibilities on this price action to have another type of this retracement to the upside. But let me show you one interesting point. If I add to this price chart MMAX ticker on the new price scale, and let me change the color. So right here you can see that we have some discrepancies in time with these price actions, and the right scale, price scale is for the bars, and the left price scale is for the line and for the MMAX ticker, as you can see right here. And we had this sell-off, and this sell-off on TRCH ticker started from the June 21st, but according to this data on Canadian Stock Exchange we have even higher price action, and the top was hit on the June 25th, and this means that this price action was made artificially, and this was made because of their transition from the TRCH ticker to MMAT ticker, and I think the naked shorting is also play a huge role in this down movement, and that's why you still have to be extremely cautious, because for now in my opinion we still have extremely bearish pressure from the short sellers, and we have to be extremely cautious with our swing trade position, because for now we didn't establish higher highs and higher lows, and only in this case we might see a trend reversal, and so far it is the good opportunity only for long-term investors. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!